Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now by turning on Data Saver. This immediately limits background transfers and gives you control. Next, set a monthly data warning and hard limit so you never overshoot. Then go into Apps, select the biggest users, and disable background data. This stops unseen syncs. You're doing these steps first because they reduce most wasteful traffic quickly. Once done, you'll have a safer baseline and can move to precise app settings and Wi-Fi tweaks. Now tighten app behavior. Force Play Store to update only over Wi-Fi so large downloads stop draining mobile data. Then open each account and turn off automatic sync for mail, photos, and social apps. You can sync manually when you want fresh content. Replace full apps with light versions or enable in-app data saver modes for maps and video, because these reduce images and lower bitrate. These middle steps are more detailed, but they finish by changing habits. Schedule backups, large downloads, and updates to run only on Wi-Fi and prefer Wi-Fi for high-quality streaming. Monitor monthly usage in settings or with a monitoring app so you can tweak limits and app access. If you spot sudden spikes, force stop and inspect recent app activity, then uninstall or restrict the culprit. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear misconfigured connections. This troubleshoot tip helps you recover when savings don't.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.